In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a hologram effect in Adobe Photoshop. The first step, duplicate the source image. Next step, use the Pent Tool. Draw a line on the edge of the watch screen. If the starting point and ending point are connected, right-click, then choose Make Selection. Select Layer Image, then copy and paste the selected area. Delete Layer Shape 1. Enlarge the copied image area, and then determine its position. Select Source Image. Use Polygonal Lasso Tool to create an area like I made. Next step, add a gradient effect. Select the main color for the hologram light. In the color settings on the right side, I changed it to white. Set the angle section. Duplicate layer 1 until it becomes for layers. After that, select the for layers, then select merge layers. Change the blend mode. In this tutorial, I will choose screen mode. If it looks too thick, you can lower the opacity value. Select the layer with the gradient fill effect again. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Select Convert to Smart Object. Adjust the blur radius value as required. In the next step, add the outer glow effect. Select a light color that is similar to the color in the gradient. In some settings, I changed the values to be like that. Set the opacity value if needed. Next, add a solid layer. Choose the appropriate color. Hover the cursor arrow between Color Fill 1 and Layer 1 Copy 3. Then left-click if an arrow appears. After successfully moving, change the blend mode to overlay. So that it looks a little luminous, you can adjust the brightness and contrast sections on the source image. And the result will be like this.
Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.